begging for it, got you on your knees. Didn't make it.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have a unit by Bobbi Boss. This one is called MLF364 JAZZLYN, and I have her in the color number 1B. So she is a U-shaped lace part unit, and she does have soft Swiss lace, and here is her beautiful wave pattern. She is super soft. She does feel like human hair blend. And here's the inside cap construction. So this cap construction is friendly for everybody. It pretty much goes to your head. So that is amazing. So here I'm just showing you guys the parting space and everything. So as you guys can see, it goes all the way around to make that half up, half down really easy. Or you can turn it to each side. This unit features 2 combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. So now this is what the unit looks like directly onto my head. And I really do love these waves. Like, the waves are just so soft. And on me, this unit falls at about maybe like, I would say about 18 to 20 inches once it's stretched. And I am 5'2", in case you want to use that for reference. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take out the ponytail so that I can show you guys that it can be worn on either side if you would like. So now I'm going to go in and put the ponytail back, but I did want to show you guys that the lace does roll a little bit in the front, or a lot of it actually. It does roll, but you can go ahead and go in and like adhere it down. I was lazy this day, so I didn't feel like doing all that, but I did do the best that I can. So yeah, the lace does roll up, as you guys can see it poofing up there. I did experience minimal shedding and tangling with this unit, as you guys will see here. I did go in and after that just put the top knot back in, and of course I beat my face so that we can finish out the video. But overall, I do really like this unit. I just wish that the lace didn't roll up, because other than that, like, this unit would be very pretty, because I mean, it is still pretty, but I just hate the fact that it rolls up and you'll have to do extra work to get it to lay down. But overall, I think this is a really pretty unit. Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So let's go ahead and jump right into the pros and the cons. Okay divas, so let's go ahead and jump right into the pros. So the pros for this unit is, number one, the style. The style is absolutely beautiful. I also really love how soft the waves are. The hair is just so freaking soft, and the waves, actually the waves are deep. I didn't mean to say soft. The hair is soft and the waves are really deep, and I really do like that. I also appreciate how soft the hair is. Like, the hair is just so soft, and it does, I'm not sure if this one is human hair blend, but it feels like it definitely, and it also has a nice luster. It's not like too shiny or anything, and I love how soft it is, and it does have like a slight yucky texture, so that was really good as well. So yeah, this hair is just absolutely gorgeous. I also really love the hairline. The hairline is really gorgeous. I love the parting that they have on this unit. It is like the moon shape parting that, or the U-shape parting that Zuri has. So it goes all around to the back, all the way to the front. So I am able to do this half up, half down. You could definitely put a bun into it as well, which I'm curious to see what that looks like. I think it will be really pretty, equally as pretty, honestly, because this hairstyle is pretty. So yeah, you can also put like a top knot bun, and you can pretty much do that if they with their 13x4s as well. But I think that it's nice that they have it like specifically for this. You can also I love how versatile it is. You can also wear it like to the side, to either of the sides. So this unit is very versatile, or you can even do a flip over method if you would like. That would be kind of hard, which we're gonna get to that con in a second. But You can pretty much do a lot with this unit. You're definitely not limited. It also does have a very like nice cap construction. I haven't seen a cap construction like this in quite a while. It kind of like goes to your head, so if you need it to stretch, it will. If you don't, it doesn't. Like, it kind of like adheres to your head and kind of like goes to your shape, and I really do like that. So yeah, that's another like really good pro. So whether or not you have a small or large head, this cap is going to work for you. Also, I don't know, did I mention this already, but I did not have to add like any heat or anything to get this half up, half down to lay down. So I really did appreciate that, because there's like no hump action going on, and it just looks really cute, and I don't have any worries or anything. Well, not with this part anyways. So let's jump right into the cons. So I actually only really have one con with this unit, honestly, and I was really disappointed with it, because I was just like, this unit would have been absolutely perfect. Like, I would have been able to like just all across the board if this was not an issue. So the issue is, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is a little bit of liftage here, like it wants to roll. So this like lace in this area for some reason is just like trying to roll, and that's one of the fears that we all have, like with the soft lace, the soft Swiss lace. I usually don't experience that a lot, to be quite honest, but I am like, it was hard. Like, I even tried putting Got To Be glue. I tried to do a lot. I know I could have went in and like really made it lay down, but I don't typically like to do that, because usually I'm only wearing my wig for a day, or even that, like half of a day, and I don't feel like I need to be trying to adhere my synthetic wig down, because number one, I don't want buildup on it. So that was really like a con for me. Like, other than that, this unit would have been absolutely perfect, but this part does roll up. Now, I don't know if it's like my unit or what, but that is happening, and it is doing that like right now. Like, it's like trying to roll up, but I was trying to like force it down to be like, no girl, I want to wear this top knot or this half up, half down, excuse me. So yeah, that was pretty much my only con. But would I recommend this unit? I would. If you don't mind like adhering it down, like this unit will be perfect all across the board, because it does also have like a really nice hairline. So all you have to do is go in and cut down the baby hairs a little bit, and you're good. And they're not even that long, to be honest. You don't have to cut them down, like it's not mandatory. So it's just really off of your personal preference and what you like. I did go in and eliminate some and cut some down, but yeah, this unit is really gorgeous. Like I said, the only issue that I had was the rolling and of the lace, and that's pretty much it. So the simple solution to that is to Got To Be glue it down, either with the spray and the gel, or either both, or whatever you use for your adhering, whatever you use to adhere your wig down. Oh yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I will try to look for a link. I have not seen this anywhere on the internet yet, so and that's just so far, so maybe by the time I get up this video, I will have a link for you guys. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous divas did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave a comment down below. I would love to know what you fabulous divas are thinking, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell, girl, because I do upload quite often, and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.